Hey. Okay.
And don't, as your mother says, tackle.
Brittany is gonna drink this Coke.
Cough, Pepsi. Cough.
Oh, wait,
I'm sorry,
the
there's
same
something
thing.
in my... No, it
Look,
isn't.
all of this, it's like a big cup, okay? Like, literally. I know it looks small on camera, even though you gain like 2 pounds on camera or something like that. I don't know, but anyway. Okay, so are you gonna do this thing, Brittany?
Yeah,
Hold on,
but I'll probably burp a lot.
and he said light, and there was light. Oh, okay, wrong light.
I'll probably burp a lot. I had to take off my glasses and I stayed for fun.
God, my mom said to be quiet, and we were as loud as
I
ever.
need to feel professional.
Go.
Wait, now?
Yeah, go.
What am I doing?
You're drinking this really quickly. Go.
Hold on.
Somebody give me my pizza. Savannah, you need the pizza? Whatever. I don't care. Yum.
Nom.
Okay. Drink this.
Okay. I'll drink it ever so daintily. First you have to take a small sip. Quite delicious. I think I might have some more. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It hurts.
The bird.
The bubbles hurt.
You know? I was gonna tell
My
you.
tongue is numb.
I was gonna tell you. I'm like, didn't that hurt?
My tongue is numb. Okay, feeling. Yay, it's back. Oh, I'm sitting at hurts. Okay, then.
How you feel right now?
Nobody needs me. Go be.
Look how fast I can chug. This much little.
Look how much I can
It's like up to here, okay?
Watch this. Ready?
Oh yeah. Do this.
Excuse me. So good in. I get back out.
No, that's charming.
All I have to say is excusez-moi. See French. Nom. Very delicious.
Oh God, you almost spit. This?
Spew.
Okay.
Would be the proper word. Spew.
The cock is up to here. Let's see how fast I can drink it. Oh, okay. Nice, about a minute.
It's not my fault. Brittany needs to spit this out.
Up to here.
I'll videotape you.
That's gonna be much. Mucho.
Mucho macho.
Mucho. How you say Coke in Spanish? Mucho. Mucho.
Coke.
Coke. Okay, whatever.
Pepsi.
I can't see this. Tiny. They say times 56. Shut up, I can't see.
Freeze.
Let's see how I am now. It's the same light.
That's embarrassing.
I gotta go to the bathroom again.
She scared me, so I went to a crash position and just flew back. And now my elbows hurt. Tell us what that felt like, Brittany. Like, whoa! That's a description. Anything else? Ella. That's all she gotta say. Now let's wait for another to get out of the bathroom. I can't get up.
Okay, we're almost done. Just one nicotine and flushing.
I'm gonna videotape me in there, okay?
No, come here. Come here.
What are you doing? You can't get up.
Get off. Okay. See how fast I can Savannah's pizza. Oh my God, I spilled everywhere. Hold this.
Apparently, Neve got her spit everywhere.
didn't see me.
Hopefully you didn't see my crash position. I just fell back like, whoa.
That's hilarious. Okay.
It took you a couple seconds to realize where I was. Excuse me.
Okay, I'm eating now. Let's see how fast I can eat Savannah's pizza. I can't do it.
Wow.
I eat a lot faster though.
Just do the side profile like this. Stare straight in front of you. Go, go, go! Just some friendly encouragement. She's eating your pizza. Girl, she's about to stab you in the jugular and you talking about hugs. I mean, don't ever.
Oh,